Have you ever known a person who was not very good at telling stories? You probably had trouble following his thought as he jumped around from point to a point. Maybe he told the end of the story first, then moved to the beginning, and later added details to the middle. His ideas were probably scattered, and the story didn't flow very well. And when the story was over, you probably had many questions. Just as a personal anecdote can be a disorganized mess, an essay can fall into the same trap of being out of order and confusing. That's why writers need a thesis statement to provide a specific focus for their essay and to organize what they are about to discuss in the body. Just like a topic sentence summarizes a single paragraph, the thesis statement summarizes an entire essay. It tells the reader the point you want to make in your essay, while the essay itself supports that point. It's like a signpost that signals the essay's destination. That's why you should form your thesis before you begin to organize an essay, but you may find that it needs revision as the essay develops. For whatever topic your professor gives you, you must ask yourself, what do I want to say about it? Asking and then answering this question is vital to forming a thesis that is precise, forceful, and confident. Remember that a thesis is not the topic itself, but rather your explanation of the question or subject. A thesis is one sentence long and appears toward the end of your introduction. It is specific and focuses on 1 to 3 points of a single idea, points that will be demonstrated in the body. It forecasts the content of the essay and suggests how you will organize your information. Remember that a thesis statement doesn't summarize the question, but rather analyze it. A strong thesis statement contains the following qualities. Specificity. A thesis statement must concentrate on a specific area of a general topic. As you may recall, the creation of a thesis statement begins when you choose a broad subject and then narrow down its parts until you pinpoint a specific aspect of that topic. For example, education is a broad topic, but a proper thesis statement would focus on a specific area of that topic, such as universities for students with disabilities. Precision. A strong thesis statement must be precise enough to allow for a coherent argument and to remain focused on the topic. If the specific topic is universities for students with disabilities, then your precise thesis statement must make an exact claim about it, such as that limited options exist for students with disabilities. Ability to be argued. A thesis statement must present a relevant and specific argument. Be sure your thesis statement contains a point of view that can be supported with evidence. Ability to be demonstrated. It is very important for any claim you make in your thesis, you must be able to provide reasons and examples for your opinion that you will discuss later in the body paragraphs. You can rely on personal observations in order to do this, or you can consult outside sources to demonstrate that what you assert is valid. Confidence. In order to write a strong thesis, you must show confidence. Phrases such as, I feel, in my opinion, I believe, actually weaken the reader's sense of your confidence because these phrases show that you are the only person who feels the way you do. Your thesis shouldn't contain phrases written in first person. Your opinion is more convincing when you use a firm attitude.